Samahan niyo ako today as I bring you to a dinner buffet at Cafe Astoria, which is located at the ground floor of Astoria Plaza along Escriba Drive in Pasig City. Medyo napaaga lang kami because we left the house early to avoid traffic. So nagpamassage muna kami ng 1 hour. Oh, and by the way, this video was taken using DDPi Mini Pro Dashcam, the best budget dashcam in 2023. So ito na nga. As we enter the place, makikita niyo agad yung elegance and beauty of this restaurant. Sa bungad ay ang kanilang wine bar. The place isn't so big so you can expect na hindi ito magiging crowded. Now let's go over the food. Ito ang beef teriyaki, braised pork belly, chicken katsu, mixed seafood curry, meron ding yasay itame, and of course steamed rice. They also have gyoza and syempre may sauce itong kasama. They also serve hot tea and brewed coffee. Marami ding options for cold drinks such as strawberry iced tea, lychee lemonade, infused water, cucumber lemonade, and their very own iced tea. The beef teriyaki, although a bit salty, rich in taste and tender ang beef. Braised pork belly naman, super soft ang meat niya and saktong-sakto lang ang tamis. Yung mixed seafood curry nila ang pinaka nagustuhan ko dito, ang sarap. Their gyoza is quite good and kapag sinubo mo siya, it delivers a burst of richness and depth. I have to warn you though, medyo mainit siya, napaso nga ako dito eh. After the main course, we go over the dessert. They have pineapple upside down, coffee jelly, pandan peachy peachy, chocolate cake, carrot cake, brownies, matcha roll, plain cassava, cookies, and merengue. Syempre, pumili lang ako ng gusto ko dyan. Ang unahin natin ay yung carrot cake. This is the best carrot cake that I've tasted so far. I think it has cinnamon, giving it a hint of minty taste. Very unique, ang sarap niya. Next is the coffee jelly. Okay naman siya, tamang-tama lang ang tamis. Yung texture ng jelly niya is smooth and makunat, kaya nagustuhan ito ng aking wifey. Meron din nga pala silang multi-grain bread, garlic toast bread, ube wheat loaf, soft roll, orange marmalade, unsalted butter, strawberry jam, and they have fresh fruits, a salad bar with ponzu vinaigrette and carrot ginger dressing. They also have a ramen station and assorted maki. Overall guys, masasabi ko na sulit ang bayad nyo dito sa dami ng masasarap na food. Pwedeng-pwede kung i-date mo ang asawa mo, o ang jowa mo, o ang pamilya mo. Maging ang CR nila guys, syala. Tingnan nyo naman, naka-aircon pa. Cafe Astoria is worth the visit guys, go na!